Hi children, good evening. Today again I am back with a new video of class 10. Today I have class with Zoom class of yours. So tomorrow onwards, whatever video class that I am going to upload that, next week I will clarify your doubts children. Here today our topic will be of classification of industries. Within that I will tell the little bit things about the cotton textile industry, especially the agro-based industries. Okay children, so let's not waste the time. Let will start. Before starting my video, I just want to tell you that hope so you are well and staying at home, and please join the classes as soon as possible, and also your cooperations are very much I am very happy with you people children. So but you have to do better, for your betterment only I'm always there. So classification of industry, let's not waste that time. We will start our topic. Our learning objective, your learning objective of today will be classification of industries in different bases. Children, so many things we are using from the day one, like here only I'm using the help of the mobile. Today I will going to use the different type of markers, and I have used my whiteboard also. Okay, these type of things has been made in the industries. These are not homemade things. Okay children, so the industry is having so many values, so many in our daily life. Whenever we will wake up to whenever we will go for sleep, everything has been made in the industries, but they are in different way. Okay children, that only we will learn it in this video. Next, some criterias are all there, on which we can able to find it out. We can able to classify our industries. What are they? They are, first of all, just you have to mark it like A, B, C, D. Then it will be easier for you people only. Okay, for memorizing. First, A will be on the basis of the source of raw materials. It means that how will be the raw materials. It means that whatever raw materials we are using, it can be coming from the agricultural field, or it can be coming from the mineral, different type of minerals we are using. So on that basis, industries has been classified into broadly two division. One will be agro based, another will be mineral based. Agro based are simply cotton, jute, silk, textile, rubber, sugar, tea, coffee, edible oil, whatever we are using, the food items, all are coming from the agricultural products. So these are the raw materials. After that it has been processed, and after that it has been, the things are made in the industries. These are called agro-based industries children. Next, mineral based industry. Iron and steel industry, definitely these are heavy industries. Cement, aluminium, machine tools, petrochemicals, these are coming under. These are using the raw materials and of different type of minerals they are using, and outcomes will be the valuable goods they are producing. Right children? Next, B number. The criteria will be B of according to their main role. Main role means how the industry will be. It can be the basic one, or it can be the secondary consumer industries. On that basis, we will divide the industries into two parts. First, basic or key industries. Here only we will learn what is that. It is the basic thing, which supply their products or raw materials to the manufacturing goods. Suppose I will give you one example, like iron and steel industry children. We from the different type of mines, minerals are used, like iron ore, aluminium, dolomite. These type of minerals are used, and they are producing some type of metals. What type of metals? It will be the steel. Okay, stainless steel, SS. But that stainless steel directly not coming in our use. It has been go to some other industry, like as a raw material, like for making of utensils. Steel is required, for that only it has been used. Machineries, heavy machineries, for that what to be used? These are used as a raw material, this iron and steel. So that is why it is the basic or key industry. From there only another industry has been set up is there. Next one will be, number B will be what? Consumer industries. That are the produce goods for direct use by our consumers. Like that, what are they? Like whatever we are getting, the sugar, toothpaste, paper, swing machines, everything, fans, whatever directly coming under our use, means through the industries we are getting directly the product. It is called the consumer industries. Okay, next, in the third basis, please remind it here children, not properly given in your book definition. I will define it in three parts on the basis of capital investment. C number. Capital investment means capital, according to the capital the size of the industry depends definitely. Okay, how it depends? It is very big in size, it is medium in size, it is smaller in size. Here in your book only given the smaller in size, but rest of the two are also there. That is of that only I am telling the extra one, that is of large scale industries, medium scale industries, small scale industries. Large scale industries are that type of industry wherever very much a huge amount of capitals are invested over there. Okay, and setup is also very big, so definitely it is called the large scale industries. And second one will be the medium scale industry. Medium scale industry, like so much so many that so much of capitals is not required. The size is also a little bit smaller than that, so that is why it is called small medium scale industry. And small scale industry, it is given very clearly to your book, that is a defined with the reference of maximum investment allowed on the assets of unit. This limit has changed over a period of time. As present, maximum investment allowed to rupees on 1 crore. Around that 1 crore, near about that, the money, the value of the money, if the industry setup has been done, so it will be called under the small scale industries. Okay, like as an example I will give you that small scale industries, agro based different type of industries, they are coming under this only. Next, on the basis of ownership, children, this division I've already told you. Then also again I am again repeating. First of all, whatever there, one will be private sector, joint sector, cooperative sector, and also public sector. Public sectors are what has been owned by government and work also by government only. What are the companies are there? Government agencies are there. BHEL, Bharat Heavy Goods Limited, like that way only, its full form. SAIL, Steel Authority of India Limited. These are all totally been government organization. Okay. Next will be private organizations. Private sectors are that owned by the operated by individuals or group of people. Okay. Like Tisco I have said, children, by mistakenly that in the joint sector it will be coming, but now no, not like that. According to the situations, the situation is also changing, so many privatizations has been gone through. Tisco, Bajaj Automobiles, Dabur Industries, these are coming under in this private sector. Third one will be joint sector. Joint sector which has been jointly run by the state as well as the individual of the group of the people, like state owned industries. Okay, Oil India Limited is jointly owned by the public and private sectors, and so many sectors are also involved in the government shares as well as the private properties also. Next, cooperative sectors. Cooperative sectors means what? A group of people whenever they are engaged in a specific type of industries, like I have already told about the Amul. Amul is a means it's a dairy product, right? Especially the dairy products are coming under in this cooperative type of farming or cooperative industries. What they're doing, the farmers, they are accumulating their systems, means they are collecting together the resources and they are selling to the markets. And whatever the benefits are there, whatever profits are there, they are sharing it by themselves only, this group of people. Okay, children, so by this way it has been running it. These are called cooperative sectors. Next will be based on the bulk or weight of the materials. This is the E number. It means that fifth 5 number criteria will be according to how much the weight will be. According to that, raw materials weight, according to that the industry has been divided into heavy, light. Heavy industries are that which are using very heavy raw materials, and whatever the production outcomes are coming, that also valuable product, that also very heavy in weight. These are coming under in the heavy industries, like iron and steel. Next one will be light industries, that are light raw materials produce light goods such as electrical industries, fans, lights, different type of bulbs we are getting. So these are all coming under this type of industries. Now I will start the agro based industries, children. Agro based industries I have already spoke about. Cotton, jute, silk, woolen, sugar, edible oil industries are based on the agricultural raw material. Okay, children. So here textile industry will be the first one. So for that you have to take a look on my board. So that's why I am cutting my video and just cutting my video. Then again in the second video, just now only another video I will another part I will make, otherwise you cannot be able to see my board also. That's why I'm just cutting that. Let's I will give the introduction, then only I will shift it over. Okay, agro based industries. Agro based industries, first of all, whatever it's coming, there are two types of agro-waste industries will be there. Dominatingly, one will be there, that is a textile industry. Textile industry occupies the unique position of India economy because contributes significantly in the industrial production. 14%. It is occupying 14%. Employment generation will be there, around 35 million persons will be there. Then the second largest after agriculture, it will be foreign exchange is getting. So many features are there, that also I will tell you. Okay children, and here also I will show you some charts. Okay, instead of that, something will be there that also I will tell you. Okay children, so next video please wait for that, because these are interconnected videos, but these I have to make it small wise. Okay, thank you so much.